Have you ever asked yourself this question? Why is it so easy for me to help others and so hard for me to help myself? That's where I've been. Not lost, just quiet. Trying to figure out why I give so much of myself, but when it's time to give that same care back to me, I freeze. I haven't uploaded a video in over a month, and it wasn't because I didn't have anything to say. It was because I was overwhelmed, mentally, physically, and emotionally. I've been gardening, doing community work, doing volunteer work, creating a backyard walkway, yes, hauling pavers, maintaining 2 websites, and in all of that, I pushed me to the back of the line. You see, I'm usually the one that people come to for advice, the helper, the strong one. I'm usually the one that lifts people out of the darkness and into the light. But sometimes I sit in the dark, quietly alone. And here's the truth. Being the strong one is exhausting, especially if there's no one being strong for you. So I asked myself something even deeper. Who pours into the helper? Where is the safe space for the strong? While reflecting on all of that this morning, I told myself, either you can give up or you can get up. We talk so much about self-care, but self-care is more than just bubble baths and breaks. Self-care is boundaries. Self-care is mentorship. It's asking for help without shame. I realized that I need support too. I need structure. I need accountability. Maybe I even need a mentor or a coach, someone that can help me slow down and see the big picture when I get lost in the weeds. Because I don't want to keep living in that cycle where I give, then I crash, then I disappear, then I feel guilty, then start all over again. That's not peace, that's performance. And I want to break that cycle. So today I am doing what I would tell you to do. I'm showing up imperfectly. I'm acknowledging that I need help sometimes. I'm giving myself space to heal, think, and plan. If you are a helper, a fixer, a doer like me, please hear this. You can't pour from an empty cup. You need someone to listen to you. You need rest, and you need structure too. And maybe you also need to hear this. You matter. Even when you're not producing, even when the camera is off. So if you are in a season of overwhelm, let's be honest about it. Let's talk about how we can structure our lives with intention, not perfection. We're not alone, and we don't have to figure it out all by ourselves anymore. Let me know in the comment section if you've struggled with being there for yourself the way that you are for others. If you found this video to be helpful in any way and you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And if you liked the video, give it a like. And if you are already subscribed to the channel, please don't forget to hit that bell notification button so that you will be notified the next time that I upload a video. Thanks for watching.